Somewhere along the way, the OBD2 scanner gains superpowers. Plug it in, read a code, replace a part, problem solved. If that were true, workshops would be empty and mechanics would be out of a job. The myth says, buy an OBD2 scanner and you can diagnose any car problem. But a basic car scanner does exactly one thing well. It reads what the ECU is willing to tell you. And that's only part of the story. A low-cost scanner can usually read generic fault codes, clear codes, sometimes show limited live data. What it usually can't do is manufacturer-specific diagnostics, bidirectional control, module communication beyond engine and emissions, guided tests, software updates or adaptations. That's not a fault, that's a design limit. Modern cars are networks, not machines. One fault can involve multiple control units, shared sensors, software logic, power and ground integrity. A cheap scanner shows you the symptom the engine ECU noticed. Professional tools let you command actuators, compare sensor plausibility, run system tests, see failures across multiple modules, and that difference matters. Now this causes more wasted money than almost anything else. People read a code and assume it's a shopping list. The code says oxygen sensor, replace the oxygen sensor. That's not diagnostics, that's gambling. Codes point to symptoms, not causes. A fault code answers one question only. What did the ECU observe? It does not answer why it happened, what caused it, or which part needs replacing. That's why experienced technicians check wiring first, verify power and ground, confirm signals under load, and test before replacing parts. So why do people think the scanner is the fix? Because sometimes they get lucky. Simple fault, simple cause, simple fix. But luck isn't a diagnostic strategy. Here's the truth. The real power isn't the scanner. It's understanding how OBD2 systems think, what a code actually represents, and how to interpret data in context. The scanner is just the flashlight. You still need to know where to look.